Hey everybody, it's Justin Benz, your favorite Lakewood Ranch and Sarasota new construction home specialist here. Here I am at Webb Catalina, Lakewood Ranch. They just opened a couple days ago. They have 16 different models, anywhere from about $360 up to $1 million in the base price. I'm gonna do a quick tour of the community of what's to come and show you some of the models. Let's go check it out. If you want more details on this community, I've already posted a video on YouTube. Just click the link above. This will have all the goods and the details on this brand new 55 and over community here at Webb Catalina. Because in this video, we're going to focus on the models, and when you come to visit, there's 5 beautifully furnished single-family homes, and there's also 2 villa models you can tour. So there's anywhere from 2-bedroom, $360,000 villas here up to 5-bedroom, 4,000 square feet, $1 million homes, which is the Leighton Grande coming into your picture. But today we're going to focus on the one just next door, which is the Stellar. This is a lovely 3-bed with a flex room, 3 or 4 bath configuration. Base price of $662,000. This one, as shown, is just over $1 million. So take a look at all the upgrades, try and get an idea of what you can be looking at for a fully decked out Stellar model here at Webb Catalina. And don't forget to call me, text me, shoot me an email, smoke signal, whatever you want. Get a hold of me for the latest pricing and details on any of these model homes here at Webb Catalina. I'd love to help you along your home buying process here in Lakewood Ranch.